What's up guys, today we are looking at this. It is a book style phone case for the iPhone SE 2020 model, 2022 model. I'm not sure, when searching for these I've seen 2022 and 2020. So here's the case itself. I got this very cheap on Amazon. Looks like it's stretched here. Hopefully it hasn't been used already. Okay, so just pop this out. It says it could stand. Yeah, I guess it could stand. So it has two slots for your cards and a bigger slot here for your wallet. Some holes there for the speaker when you're making phone calls. 7G here, I have no idea what that means. The back case here, there's a protective layer here, then the rubber part is here. It's just like a simple silicone rubber case. And now I just have to get the iPhone SE and test it out. I think there's cardboard underneath here. Yeah, it's just cardboard. And the stitching here for this, it is a magnet, yeah. Yeah, it is a magnet. Stitching here kind of protrudes here, so you can see the two bumps. Don't know how that affects with the phone. Actually, I think you can peel this. This is just a sticker. Yeah, that's just a sticker. I got this for about £5 or £6 on Amazon. It's the cheapest one. Just see how it works. iPhone 7 black book. Notice the way it says iPhone 7. Hopefully this fits. Alright, yeah, I'll be back. What's up guys? So I've got the case here and I got the phone here. Let's try it out. Let me just swing the light over. Here's the phone, pops in. Oh, it's very tight. Good fit. It's nice, compact. You can stand it like that. You know, if you want to view it. Yeah, we'll see how what the wear and tear is like. But so far it looks good. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section down below. Leave any suggestions for future videos also in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.